What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cannabis. We're reviewing the Cannabis Cup kit, which comes with the Stinger from Honeystick. There it is right there. Just a heads up on this. Let me show you guys. There's some good things and some bad things about this, but overall I'm happy with it. So this right here is what it comes with, okay? The first tank, and here's the attachment. You just slide it on right there, slide it right on. Now the one they automatically have that you're supposed to use is this one, which is glass. And I don't like it because it's glass, and I tend to knock things over. So I used the replacement, and it's plastic. And you can tell by knocking on it which one's glass and which plastic. You can obviously tell that's plastic. That's glass. I recommend using the plastic one. The glass one, it just wasn't fitting too well for me. I guess that side's a little better. One of the sides, this side. See, it's a little bit looser. This side doesn't seem as bad. So if you want to use the glass, you can switch it. I honestly don't know the reasoning why you would want to use glass over plastic for something like this, but I don't think it would affect the flavor at all. At least it doesn't for me. So the kit does come with a replacement heating element. It's just like this one. Let me open it up. It's already used, so it may be dirty. Oh yeah, this one's definitely used. And you're probably gonna, if you've used it a lot, you're gonna want to make sure you warm it up a little bit probably before you try taking this cap off, because it does get ooey gooey in there. Let me see if I can get this focused so you can see inside of it. Oh, almost. There it is. There you go. You can see the two little coils. Sorry guys, there it is. It's just two coils in a ceramic bowl. So it comes with two of those. One already connected and one for a replacement. And also you get more of these little rubber dillies, so you can make sure they go on right there. You got a tight seal. Now this is I bought this one extra, okay? Because I thought I may need another tank, which I wish I would have bought the glass one now, but I didn't. The hybrid. This one is the hybrid, and this one is just the ceramic tank that comes with the original Stinger. That's not the Cannabis Cup edition. I don't like this one. I don't know if it's this one's defaulty or what. Fucked up is what I'm trying to say. I don't know what is up with it, but as you can see here, let me see if I can get you guys to see this. Oh, it's actually been leaking out as it's been sitting there, because I lost a whole bunch of crumble oil that melted into this. The crumble melted. Oh, come on. And you can see right there, there's oil. And it's oozing out of two holes. God damn it. It's oozing out of two holes that are right in there. It's probably too tiny for you to see, but you can see where the oil's kind of coming out. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I don't prepare for these things. But you can see where the oil started leaking out into my battery. So I stopped using this thing. I don't really like it. It does have a donut heating element, which I like for crumble, but it started leaking out the bottom, and I don't know why. I don't know if I overfilled it. If I overfilled it, that's a tiny place. That's a tiny little bowl area. I mean, that's not enough to put anything in, because I barely put anything in there, and it started leaking out the bottom. So I'm not sure what the hell's up with the design on that, if it's meant to be that way or if that's messed up. So we're gonna find out though, because I had another problem. So I had another problem, not just that, with this first one that came. Let me see if I can show you guys here. Okay, as you see, it works, right? If I tighten this all the way up, it doesn't work. It just stops working. Tighten it all the way up. I have to loosen it, and it works. So I have to keep it loose in order for it to work for some reason, because this battery that they sent me is kind of messed up. So that was kind of irritating. Although I could still use it, I contacted Honeystick immediately, and their customer service I sent them a video of what was happening, and their customer service instantly sent me this. Where's it at? It's another one, even with another, it's like a whole nother, it's like basically the original Stinger kit you can buy. They just sent it to me. So I thought that was pretty cool. No questions asked. They saw my video, thought it was weird, sent me another one, and they didn't give me any hard trouble. So the customer service is excellent, which the reviews I've seen all say Honeystick's customer service is excellent. So I have not seen one bad thing about them not helping you out if you get something that's messed up. Now, I didn't bother to complain about this one. I don't know. I just didn't feel like messing with it. So they might have sent me another one if I would have complained or gave me my money back, but I just said hell with it. I just won't use it. So we're gonna bust into this real quick and see. I don't know if they come I don't think they come pre-charged, so I may not be able to test it on camera. Oh, come on, give her to me. Give her to me, Honeystick. There we go, nice little case. It's like almost like I'm getting a new watch. Alright. Yeah, and everybody out there, I am new to vaping, so I only have a couple different vapes that I've tried. If you have any recommendations, let me know. If you want to send me some to review, go ahead. Now, this one looks a lot cleaner than the other one I got. The other one was just in this case, and it looked kind of funky old, so maybe this one's a lot better. But yes, this one has the holes in the bottom too. See if you can see it. Yeah, there they are. See right there? See that hole? That's where the oil leaks out, not that one. This one right here. Weird, right, guys? If you know why it's doing that, let me know. If that's my fault, let me know. But I think that's pretty shitty design if that's the case. Let's turn it on, see if it's got any battery charge in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's completely dead. Okay, this one's completely dead. Didn't come charged. This one that came in the kit was already half charged. So, with that being said, did I get sent a used battery? Is that what happened? If so, that's kind of crappy. But they did fix it and had it here within a week. So even with Black Friday and stuff, so I'm happy. I'm not too angry about it. So I can't show you if this works on camera, guys. I'll have to charge it first. It's just not. It's totally not charged whatsoever. My phone's going off. So yeah, guys. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It hits really well. It's not by any means a piece of crap. This tank right here is one of the top-rated tanks on the internet, pretty much. If you review top vape tanks, this one always shows up in the top 1, 2, or 3. So it's called the Highbrid Honeystick tank. I don't know the exact. I'll put the links in the description with the titles of everything, so you guys can find everything and go get that stuff. Use the link below to get to Honeystick, and you'll find all this stuff. I'll put all the titles of everything in the description. So yeah, guys. What else? What else is there? Anything? Oh. They gave me an awesome, it's already dirty, but they gave me an awesome dabber. It's pretty kick-ass. It doesn't bend. It's not cheap. It's nice and sturdy dabber. And they gave me this little cleaner with silicone, so stuff doesn't stick on it so much. Pretty cool. It's kind of like one of those cooking things you use, silicone cookie things. Well, all in all, guys, I'm loving it. It's great. It hits pretty good. It works on shatter a lot better than it does crumble, because you can get the shatter in those little coils. And I'm just going to go ahead. I do recommend this for beginners vaping, because I am a beginner, so I can't really recommend it for experts. But if you're starting out and you're looking for an affordable wax concentrates vape, this is a good starter kit for sure, and it's a lot stronger. If you saw the review, it was kind of a review. I didn't really review it too much. I didn't go in depth on it, but the last vape I did on my channel, the Phantom Honeystick, this one hits a lot harder. It's a lot stronger and gets the job done. It's got a 1100 mAh battery one ceramic atomizer, one dabber tool, one USB cable, one user manual. You got to include that user manual. But yeah, guys, what else is there? Oh yes, this one. It does not recommend you go over the first setting. So keep it on the red setting. Don't go to the second or the third setting, because you could burn it out a lot faster. So keep your vape on the first setting when using this one, and that's if it doesn't leak all over the place. This one, go full blast if you want, guys. It's amazing. I would recommend just buying an extra one of these. Okay, I had to charge my honey sticks. Both of them were dead. The one that came wasn't charged, and mine just died when I was going to do the test. So I'm going to charge those. The batteries. Speaking of charging, the batteries last a while. I can get through a whole about day and a half maybe before it dies. So yeah, it takes 2 hours to charge. You're supposed to charge the first one for like 6 hours, I think, when you first get it, your first charge. And then after that, it's just 2 hours. But it lasts a couple days, like a day, depending on use. I have heavy use, it's like a day into the day and a half, maybe, I'll say. So, battery's good. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and test it for you on camera. But I'm gonna throw some Sour D crumble from True Leaf in there, which is amazing. And I'll just show you how it hits, guys.